Meanwhile, Karen was still stranded with her passengers when she heard someone puffing up behind her. And then she heard a whistle. "Oh no," moaned Karen. "Not you." "Are you feeling alright, Karen?" said 3576 as he came up. Does it look like I'm okay to you?" said Karen. "My safety valve burst and my passengers are stranded. And the last thing I want is you making fun of me." "I'm not here to make fun of you," he said. "I want to help you." "I find that hard to believe." "No, really. I was in way over my smoke box when I talked down to you at the sheds that night before Nigel had broke down the turntable, even though he said he faked it. It's time I make it up to you." "Well, I actually need to get to the station on time, so go ahead and try then." "Thank you," said 35716. And so 35716 went ahead and switched onto Karen's line to couple up to her. "You ready back there?" said 35716 cheerfully. "I guess," said Karen. "That's all I need to hear. Now let's go." The guard then blew his whistle, and 35716 and Karen set off for the next station. "35716 was feeling much better now than he had since he teased the others in the sheds that night. Karen, however, was still feeling a little doubtful whether 35716 was faking being nice just to help her and her passengers, or that he was actually telling the truth.